Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an incredibly important topic to discuss: mindful eating and how it can help us cultivate a healthy relationship with food. In a world filled with fast food and mindless snacking, it's crucial that we take a step back and reconnect with the nourishment our bodies truly need. So, let's dive right in. We live in a fast-paced society, where it's easy to fall into the trap of mindless eating. We rush through meals, eat on the go, and often ignore the signals our bodies are trying to send us. But today, we're going to change that. We're going to learn how to slow down, savor our food, and build a healthy relationship with what we eat. The first step in mindful eating is to become aware of our eating habits. Take a moment to reflect on your own eating patterns. Are you eating out of boredom, stress, or simply because food is available? It's time to break free from these habits and truly listen to our bodies. Mindful eating is about paying attention to the entire eating experience. It involves using all our senses: seeing, smelling, tasting, and even feeling the texture of our food. When we engage all our senses, we become more present in the moment and can make conscious choices about what and how much we eat. Cooking our own meals is a great way to practice mindful eating. By preparing our food from scratch, we have control over the ingredients and can make choices that align with our health goals. Plus, cooking can be a fun and creative experience. Another essential aspect of mindful eating is the social connection we create around food. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through our phones or watching TV while we eat, let's make an effort to sit down with loved ones and truly connect. Share stories, laugh, and enjoy the nourishing experience together. Portion control is crucial when it comes to mindful eating. It's about listening to our bodies and eating until we're satisfied, not until we're overly full. By practicing portion control, we can enjoy our favorite foods in moderation while still maintaining a healthy balance. Making mindful choices starts at the grocery store. Take the time to read labels, choose whole, unprocessed foods, and fill your cart with colorful fruits and vegetables. And remember, it's okay to indulge in your favorite treats occasionally, but let's be mindful of the quality and quantity. Now, I want to invite you all to join me in a mindful eating exercise. Take a small piece of fruit or a bite-sized snack. Look at it, feel its texture, and smell its aroma. Take a slow, deliberate bite, and savor every flavor. Pay attention to the sensations in your mouth and the feeling of nourishment as you swallow. This is what mindful eating is all about. Remember, mindful eating is not a quick fix or a restrictive diet. It's a lifelong practice of nourishing our bodies and nurturing a healthy relationship with food. So, let's make a commitment to be present, savor each bite, and cultivate a mindful eating lifestyle. Together, we can transform our relationship with food and live a healthier, more fulfilling life. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for our next video update.